Best RAM kits for gaming rigs deliver faster load times, smoother multitasking, improved FPS stability, and reliable performance for demanding modern games and applications. My today's video is about top 5 best RAM kits for gaming rigs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at G.Skill Ripjaws V-Series DDR4 RAM. The G.Skill Ripjaws V-Series DDR4-3216GB 2x8GB memory kit remains an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders seeking dependable performance without overspending. Running at 3200 MHz with CL16 timings, it delivers responsive system performance, quicker game loading, and smoother multitasking compared to slower DDR4 memory. The matched 2x8GB dual-channel configuration maximizes bandwidth, making it ideal for modern gaming rigs and everyday productivity. Support for Intel XMP makes setup simple, enable the profile in BIOS to achieve the rated speed without manual tuning. The modules are built with high-quality components for reliable operation at 1.35V, while maintaining broad compatibility with many desktop motherboards. G.Skill also provides a QVL and RAM configurator to help ensure seamless compatibility before installation. To maintain stability, it's important to use the kit as intended and avoid mixing it with other memory kits. Overall, the Ripjaws V-Series offers an outstanding balance of speed, reliability, compatibility, and value for DDR4-based gaming PCs. Now our second product is Crucial Pro 32GB DDR5 RAM Kit. The Crucial 32GB DDR5-6000 2x16GB memory kit is a powerful upgrade for gamers, content creators, and enthusiasts looking to maximize modern desktop performance. With 6000 MHz speeds, it delivers faster data access, reduced load times, and smoother multitasking, making demanding applications and AAA games feel more responsive. The 32GB capacity provides ample headroom for gaming, streaming, video editing, and running multiple programs simultaneously without slowdowns. Designed for 13th Gen Intel Core processors and newer AMD Ryzen 9000 series CPUs, this kit offers optimized compatibility for current generation platforms. Its 36-38-38-80 timing strike a strong balance between speed and stability, while the enhanced overclocking capabilities help enthusiasts extract even more performance. Backed by Micron's 42 years of memory expertise, every module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure long-term reliability and consistent operation. Installation is straightforward, and once configured, the memory delivers dependable high-speed performance. Overall, this DDR5 kit is an excellent investment for anyone building or upgrading a high-performance gaming or productivity PC. Our third product is Gigastone Game Turbo 32GB kit. The 32GB 2x16GB DDR4-3200 RGB memory kit is an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a balance of performance, capacity, and visual appeal. Running at 3200 MHz with CL16 latency, it delivers responsive performance for modern games, faster application loading, and smooth multitasking. The 32GB capacity is ideal for gaming, content creation, streaming, and handling multiple demanding applications simultaneously. Built as a non-ECC, unbuffered UDIM operating at 1.35V, this memory is designed for reliable desktop performance while maintaining efficient power usage. Compatibility with Intel XMP 2.0 and AMD Ryzen platforms makes enabling the rated speed quick and easy through the BIOS, eliminating the need for manual overclocking. The integrated RGB lighting with 8 individual LEDs adds vibrant, customizable illumination that enhances any gaming setup. Overall, this memory kit combines dependable stability, attractive aesthetics, and strong DDR4 performance, making it a smart upgrade for users seeking faster, more responsive gaming and everyday computing. Now number 4, TeamGreeUp T-Create Expert 10L DDR5 32GB kit. The TeamGreeUp T-Create Expert 32GB 2x16GB DDR5-6000 CL30 memory kit is an outstanding option for users who demand high-speed performance with exceptional stability. Featuring DDR5-6000 speeds and low CL30 latency, it delivers faster data transfer, reduced response times, and improved overall system efficiency. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, rendering 3D projects, or multitasking across demanding applications, this kit provides smooth and consistent performance. The 32GB dual-channel configuration maximizes memory bandwidth, helping modern CPUs perform at their best while reducing bottlenecks in resource-intensive workloads. Built with premium components, the T-Create Expert series is engineered for reliable long-term operation and dependable overclocking support on compatible systems. Its clean, professional heat spreader design ensures efficient heat dissipation without flashy RGB lighting, making it perfect for minimalist workstation and gaming builds. Easy installation and broad compatibility with the latest DDR5 platforms further enhance its appeal. Overall, this memory kit offers an excellent combination of speed, low latency, reliability, and value for high-performance desktop PCs. And our last choice is Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM 32GB. The Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 memory kit continues to be one of the most trusted choices for gamers, PC builders, and overclocking enthusiasts. Built with hand-sorted memory chips, it offers reliable high-speed performance and excellent overclocking potential for users who want to push their systems beyond stock settings. Keep in mind that achieving the advertised maximum speeds requires BIOS configuration and compatible motherboard and CPU support. Its low-profile 34mm design makes it an ideal fit for compact PCs and systems using large air CPU coolers, eliminating common clearance issues. The solid aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat, helping the modules maintain stable performance during extended gaming sessions and demanding workloads. Optimized for broad compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 platforms, installation is straightforward and system stability is excellent when configured correctly. Whether you're upgrading an existing PC or building a new gaming rig, the Vengeance LPX delivers an impressive balance of speed, reliability, thermal efficiency, and long-term value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.